right there. Charge, ready? Come on, I'm gonna distract him. Then go out. They're up behind you,
Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
60 meters. West.
Bounty target is down. Well done. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Wow, that was shitty as fuck. I missed every shot.
Oh, shoot. I got that guy.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone. Fire sale down. 5 stations got to adjust.
That one's gone.
Lighting up. Oh shit, I got up there. There's 2 of them. 2 snipers. We just go down. Stay on the side.
Fire sale done. Prices are back to normal.
I need some guns.
Losing ground. 25 remaining. Nicely done.
Hey, you guys want to buy another loadout, please? Purple?
Yes.
Enemy there. Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Nice.
I'll get munitions then.
Thanks, bro.
Dropping ammo.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
Coordinate sent.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound. Godspeed.
That was weird.
Setting rally point.
Moving.
There's a guy just where I'm. Oh, right there.
Contact!
Man, shit, he got me.
Under fire here.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Gas is inbound.
Thank you.
Hey, you wanna drop me money? Drop me like 400.
I'm the boss!
Oh shit.
I got a guy.
Enemy there.
2 guys.
Heading there. Enemy there. There's less than 10 to go. You can win this. Enemy friendly UAV overhead. You've got gas inbound.
There's a
Safe zone
guy.
relocation.
And he died.
They're toxin me.
Gas is inbound.
Alright, you guys got the advantage. A team has 2, the other has 1.
Oh shit.
I'm out of ammo. I got one more.
In the window, on the right.
Time to go.
Oh my god, it's there.
Solid
Oh my god.
done.
I got so afraid when he was in the truck.
GG, bro.